In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select accounts on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath account settings and select your info. And then underneath adjust your photo, either open up the camera app to take a picture using your attached webcam or select browse files and then navigate to that location on your device. And that's pretty much it. And then it should appear up here. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.